This one's not working. This one. Some of these ones too. But yeah. Alright, so I've got this Yamaha PSR-280 electronic keyboard here. So yeah, some of the buttons aren't working, this one here, and quite a few other ones. So yeah, I think I found the problem. Just going to take it apart, show you how to take it apart and stuff. Not very hard. And then yeah, so just got to take out all these screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 1 here. Oh no, 1 here, here. There might have been one. No, I don't think there was one there. That's stand screw. So no. The battery, there wasn't any in this one. And then there was one here, one down here, and one here. It should just lift off now. Should just lift off. Not the best camera filming. Not sure that I can fit my tripod on the table at the same time, so it's not going to be the best. But so this board here, there's two boards that have the contacts for the keys to go along here, and to get it out it's going to be kind of tough with the camera, but what you have to do is press that and then pull up on the side of the board and then go to the next one and just pull up a little bit on the board so that it moves out of the socket. I really need my tripod for this. Okay, so we got that out. Couldn't fit the tripod on, but yeah. So what you want to do, possibly clean these, but I don't know, mine seem pretty clean. I did give them a bit of a clean, but then you want to check these traces for corrosion. And what I did was I started at one of these contacts here, and I traced back from these solder points here, and I traced them back all the way to where they come out to these pins here. And what I found was this one here, there's a bit of corrosion on the trace, and there's no continuity between here and where it leaves the board on one of these traces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a wire, jumper wire in, and then see if it works. So I'll do that off camera, it might be a bit easier. So just soldered a wire in here, and then just going to put it back together. Probably should have made it a bit shorter, but I thought I would just try that for now, see if it works, and then yeah. Should also clean up this terminal here. The batteries were leaking and caused a lot of corrosion. Don't know if that's what got onto the board too, but yeah, I guess we'll just test it out for now, see if it works.